So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video I'm going to talk about how we can create that kind of fluid simulation using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So for that, first of all I will just open my Blender, and here I have already added one cane bottle. Then I'm just going to add one cube here, and I'm just going to set the my cube behind this cane. And after that I will just add one more cube here, and then I'm just going to my object section, and here I will just add one quick effect as a fluid, and I'm just gonna scale this domain little bit, something like that. Here you can see, and here you can see I'm just gonna scale it something like that and something like that as well. So you have to just maintain the domain size according to your basically fluid space, how much space you want to cover into your fluid basically. And this will be our the flow object where the fluid will become. Here you can see, so I'm just gonna scale it a little bit up this domain, so we'll have a more space for the basically fluid. After that I will just go to my domain setting, and here I will just gonna disable all these options. Then I will just go to my cache settings, and here I'm just gonna set as a modular, and I will just click the is resumable. Then I will just go to my like cache settings, and I will just set the end frame to 70. Then I will just go to my field of weight. I will set as a gravity, and I will also disable the gravity from my this section. And after that everything is look good to go for me. Then I will just select my flow object, and I will just enable this initial velocity, and I will just set the -12. Alright, after that everything is good to go. I will select my cane, and I will just add the fluid as a effector. Here you can see everything is look good to go. Now what I'm going to do basically, I will set the resolution to 128, and I will just do hit bake. Alright, and till then the bake is baking, so you should subscribe my channel and also like this video, because I know that you are learning a lot from my channel, so thank you. Alright guys, so here you can see our bake is almost done, and here you can see this is the animation is look like, and yeah, everything is look good to go. Now what I will do basically, I will select my flow object. Here you can see, and I will just select my domain object basically, and I will just bake my mesh. I will set the value 3 and negative value also 3, and I will just do the bake mesh. And again, till the bake mesh is baking, by the way, if you not still subscribe my channel, so you can just subscribe my channel and like this video also. And if you want to learn Blender in depth, so you can just check out my website, where you will get lots of courses regarding the Blender. You will get the link into the description. Alright guys, so this mesh bake is also almost is done. Now everything is look good to go. Now here you can see this looks something like that, and that's look awesome, by the way. Here you can see this is awesome. Okay, so everything is look good to go. Now what I'm going to do basically, I will just add one camera here, and after that I'm just going to set the scene according to the camera and whatever fluid we have generated basically. So we have to just align the camera according to that. And now I will just switch my rendering engine as a cycle. I will set the GPU, and I will set the max sample is of 512, like 550 to 512, and I will set the SDRI like studio SDRI, and I will set the as a background light. And now I will just add one plane here. I will just do a line as a view. I'm gonna scale that plane. Then I will just go to edit mode of this plane, pressing the tab, and then I'm just gonna right click and do subdivide as much as we can do it. Then I will just go to my modify section, and here I'm just gonna add one displace modifier. I will just add a new texture. I will just add texture as a cloud. I'm just gonna scale it a little bit the depth of this cloud, so it will look more realistic and very dynamic. Now here you can see everything is look good to go. Now here you can see I'm just gonna adjust a little bit the depth of this plane, so it will look more organic. Here you can see, yeah, now everything is look good to go. I will do a little bit scale more. Okay, after that what I'm going to do basically, I will just lock my camera, and I'm just going to also enable my pass payout, so we can only see the our camera view. Now we can create a manual material also, but right now I will use the Blender kit for as a creating a material. So I have just searched the juice material into this Blender. So I will get this orange juice material. I just put into the background, and also the fluid object which is we have generated. Now here you can see, and after that here you can see this is our the render. Alright guys, so now here you can see this is our final output. It is look awesome, by the way. So that's how you can basically create a fluid simulation using the blender. That's very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have a session, please let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care, and stay home, guys, and love you all.